Dang. What am I gonna do? Hey, welcome back to another episode of the Black MacGyver. In today's episode, we're gonna demonstrate how to, if you have a hood that won't open because your hood latch is broken, like mine is, in this hunk of junk, don't worry about it. I got the recipe and the remedy on today's beautiful and glorious day. It is a beautiful day here in North Kakalaki. It is. And I'm definitely want you all to hit that like, hit that comment, and subscribe. And I'm definitely gonna show you why I am the Black MacGyver. All right. All right. What you're gonna need is here. I'm gonna take you guys off my pedestal real quick, and I'm gonna show you. All right. So, what you're gonna be looking for is your hood latch right here. See, I can't do anything with it, right? So you're looking. Let me see if this thing can focus. Right there. All right, and this will work for Dodges. Matter of fact, this is a Dodge Durango. Okay, you see. I'm not sure. I think it'll work for Dodge trucks too. I think it's all the same. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need like something long and hard. You dirty people, you're so dirty. But you catch my drift, because the reason is in order to get to it, you're gonna have to come through this here grill. All right, here, let's go find something long and hard so we can. This will work. This will work right here. It's just like almost like a clothes hanger, but a little bit more oomph in it. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right in there, and I'm gonna. All right, I'm on it. I'm gonna push. All right. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but let me not be all over the place. Let me set you guys back up here, and let's see how long it takes me. All right. Bam. That's the man right there, ain't it? Huh? And I'm gonna show you. Oops, I almost dropped you. I'm gonna show you that the hood latch is broken. Okay? See? Hood latch is broke. Nothing more. It's done. It doesn't do anything. So look. If you want me to demonstrate it again, you seen that the hood latch was broken, right? I found it a little easier. This is what I did. I found it a little easier. You see this? I don't know if you can see it. It looks like my camera's a little dirty. I'm not editing nothing. All right, you see that? I don't know if you can see this. What I did was I stuck this little hook in here and pulled that little, I could see it while the grill was open. So I'll shut it again. You seen, here's my cable right here. Here's my cable. It's done. All right. I'm gonna close it. All right, you see, I'm gonna pull it. I'm pulling it, see? Let's go out here. Nothing. I'm gonna set you guys back up here. All right. Come closer. I'm setting you up. Got you all set up. All right. I'm gonna do my little. Wham. So again, this is on a 2002 Dodge Durango. I'm pretty sure it'll work for a 2002 Dodge Durango, Dodge Dakotas, Dodge Ram trucks. It'll work for maybe even Dodge Chargers and Hellcats. Or maybe not a Hellcat, but maybe like a Dodge Charger or a Challenger. Maybe the older model style. Maybe. If you have any questions, leave comments below. Whatever other kind of videos you guys want. Well, I don't care what you want to see. I'm gonna do a little bit of everything. All right? Because this is my channel. And I want you to subscribe. And I want you to like all my videos. Because I am the Black MacGyver. And because I will educate you. You will understand more. As I begin to do more videos, you'll grow with me. As I grow, you grow too. That's a win-win. So again, to wrap things up, this was, if your hood latch is broken, call Black MacGyver or look at his YouTube video. He's gonna show you on a Dodge from, I'd say, 2000 to 2008, maybe. This goes for Dodge Journeys too, I think. Well, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please, 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 please leave me a comment again. And like and subscribe. And comment, like, subscribe. Comment, like, subscribe. Because I am the Black MacGyver, and I'm gonna give you the best content possible. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be a nice, extravagant journey. Over and out.